baked beans, beer, pizza, carrot cake, olives, chocolate cake, pita bread and hummus, deviled egg, ice cream, coleslaw, lemon bars, wine, salami, pickles, Hamburger, fruit punch, wraps, pasta salad, hot dogs, brownies, cheese, bread, sandwich, fried chicken, cookies, iced tea, fresh vegetables, fruit salad, potato chips, grapes, watermelon, lemonade, sandwiches.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.